this is Darren from Macquarie Warrants Singapore and welcome to another episode of Macquarie Warrants Market View. In this series, hear firsthand from Singapore's investment strategists as they share their views on the markets in the coming weeks. For this episode, we have Con Hao, Director of Wikipedia and SGX Academy trainer, who will share his views on the Singapore and global markets for this month.
In our first few videos last year, during the first quarter, I advocated a buy for S&P index because of this stronger in weighting, bullish engulfing body. Similarly, STI also indicated a higher in weighting, bullish engulfing body between February and March last year. And since then, it has been trending higher as well. Unknowingly, as time passes, it has developed into a double bottom. And we are now at the beginning of this formation. This means more room for more upside. Or this also means that Singapore market is at its beginning of a pending uptrend. As of now, I do not see any immediate buying entry yet. However, since the uptrend is in the making, I will wait for any correction or buying into dips when opportunity arises. The best market uptrend now is in the tech stock. Nasdaq measures tech stock listed in the US market. And I am thankful to note that the Asia also has its tech stock indicator. It is called Hang Seng TECH Index. Hang Seng TECH Index is also in its growth stage, an uptrend. Similarly, based on the third week closed of this chart, studies indicated a bearish engulfing body. This means an immediate selling opportunity in an uptrend. Again, to manage a selling opportunity in an uptrend market, keep any short positions short term. Stay safe and stay profitable.
I hope Con Hao's insights have provided you with actionable strategies to trade the current market. Investors keen to trade the short-term market moves may consider doing so via warrants. Call warrants move in line with the underlying they follow, meaning if the underlying stock or index went up, so will the call warrants. Put warrants move inversely from the underlying and will increase in price when the underlying stock or index falls. Following a strong start to the year, the STI has trimmed off its earlier gains since mid-January. The correction continued as the benchmark index lost another 1.7% in the past week. From the decline, the trending STI put warrant YZHW gained 8.6%, while the trending STI call EZEW is down 18.9%. This magnified move in the warrants is due to the effective gearing feature embedded in warrants. A warrant's effective gearing figure refers to how much more a warrant may move in response to the moves in the underlying they track. If a warrant had an effective gearing of 10 times, it means the warrant will move around 10% for every 1% move in the underlying share or index it tracks. The gearing effect is one of the reasons that make warrants popular, but note that gearing can work both ways, meaning warrants will also move in a bigger magnitude or percentage change than the percentage moved in the underlying should you get your view wrong. This week, Macquarie is excited to introduce the newly launched Hang Seng TECH warrants on the SGX. Equipped with the highest leverage amongst listed leverage products of between 5 to 10 times, investors can gain leverage on moves in the volatile Hang Seng TECH Index. This means that the short and medium-term trends are likely to be larger and potentially present more trading opportunities. Call and put warrants are available for both bullish and bearish investors to gain access to the broad Chinese tech sector comprising of leading tech giants. Don't miss out and start trading the Hang Seng TECH warrants via your local stock trading account today. Visit the Hang Seng TECH page on our website for more information. Did you know that the structured warrants mentioned above are all listed on the SGX? Here's how to recognize them. In this example, we have a warrant over the Hang Seng Index futures. Breaking it down, we can see that the first 3 characters are the underlying assets code, and is followed by the warrant strike price and issuer's code. Next, we can distinguish that it's an European style call warrant by ECW and put by EPW. For the last 6 digits, it states the warrant's expiry date in a year, month, day formats. For further details on trading warrants and to find out if you're qualified to trade warrants, click on the link in the description or feel free to contact us at our warrant hotline. Lastly, don't miss out on next video and exciting warrant news by scanning on the QR codes and subscribe to our channels on YouTube, Telegram and Facebook.